Hey, guys, here is BENEHIKE. Today I will show you how to install Alumabode aluminum shell rooftop tent. You can see 90% of the accessories of this tent, including the built-in ladder, luggage rack, windrows, and ground nails, which are not displayed due to space limitations. Now, let Kale demonstrate how to install it for you. First, thread the M8 long screw through the aluminum slide plate, which needs to be repeated 8 times. Then, divide the 8 aluminum slide plates in half and slide them into the bottom rail of the tent, and insert the plugs at both ends of the rail. To show more clearly how to install the tent on the roof crossbar, we have made a simple demonstration. Place the crossbar between the 2 screws and insert the stainless steel mounting plate, and then tighten the screw. This is a demonstration of the installation on the car. After fully securing the 4 corners, you can use the key to unlock the 4 locks. Gently lift the tent, and the 4 hydraulic rods will lift it up. The Alumabode aluminum shell tent uses waterproof and sun-resistant 600D Oxford cloth and SBS heavy-duty zippers, which can withstand any extreme weather. After setting up the rainfly and using the ladder to enter the tent, the spacious interior is enough to accommodate 3 to 4 people. There are storage pockets on the top and sides, and a 2-inch thick mattress allows you to have a comfortable night. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you have any questions, please contact benehike.com.